We're back. We're back. We are back at Cleveland Hopkins Airport. Time to get to Chicago. America's Beauty Show. Here we come. We are at my not so favorite part of the airport. Check-in TSA. Yep. You'll see. Oh, you'll see. Every time. Doesn't fail.
Anything in the sharp and fragile?
Yeah, everything in there is actually sharp. There's scissors and barber clippers.
Are you recording this?
Yeah. It's from my YouTube channel. Not out?
I don't think so.
Oh.
Recording you on his YouTube channel?
Alright, anything sharp or fragile in here?
Yeah, everything's sharp.
Can't go through.
Why not?
Razor, it's a blade, sir. Blades of any size can't go through.
That's not a blade.
This right here is a blade?
It's not a blade.
What is it?
It's a blade holder. TSA strikes again. Hey guys, what's up? It's me. Just got my hotel keys. Time to check in, freshen up, and catch up with the squad. Here's my view for the next couple days. America's Beauty Show, we here. We just got here. Time to get our credentials. We got Van the Man. We just pulled up to our booth right here. Check out our booth. This is what it looks like right here. They're building it up. Hey, what's up, man?
What's up, brother?
How you doing, sir? Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's judges.
You guys.
What's up, man? Mike.
Calm before the storm, right here. This is the hardest worker on the team right here. Hardest worker. Making our rounds, checking out the calm before the storm. Damn, look at Babylus though. Okay. Pretty much looking for our model room. We can't find it. Do you know where the Babylus model room is at?
Hey, listen. This right here, this is epic. Cause oh, this is beautiful.
Whose man's is that? Y'all better come check him out.
Yeah. Oh man, this is beautiful. That's nice.
Just in case you wonder what hanging out with these guys is like. It's the new era hangout right here, man. If you're not on your social media, you just ain't hanging out. That's it. That's it.
You just have great hair, cool style. I thought you'd be perfect for our image. I appreciate it. 504 481 2568. What's your name? I'm Dave. I'm David.
David?
Yeah.
Real. It's easy enough.
Yeah. And
One of my favorite parts of every trip, looking for models, and we shop a little too. It's always fun looking for models, and we get turned down a lot too. It's crazy how many people don't want a free haircut. Free haircut by a good barber, like come on. But hey, a lot of people are real loyal still too, man. Like a lot of people are like, oh no, I got my own barber, blah blah, whatever. I'm loyal. I'm like, all right, cool. I respect it. You know what I mean? But we'll get lucky. We usually need about 15, 20 models for the weekend. So we'll see how it goes. This guy spends all his show money before the show. That's the way to do it.
that's it, baby.
Just come for the ride.
Let's go for the ride. I just can't stop moving. Saturday we have 3, 6, 9, 12, right? Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 18. And then Monday we need 12 as well. So 18, 12, 12. 24 and 18.
So
Yep,
we got our
that's how many models we need. It's a long weekend.
Since we're not sharing.
Big show, big show.
You're not sharing a booth.
We need 3 models per time segment. Plus the barber booth. Plus the classroom.
Yeah, because I need one for the barber booth.
I need one for the classroom.
Yeah, I'm trying to figure out who I'm gonna use.
So, let's do it, baby. Let's get it.
We got this.
Let's get it. We're gonna crush it. Let's get it.
Yeah, sir.
It's day 2. Van, the go. Round 2.
Good morning.
Tell them, you ain't ready for round 2?
Hey, listen, we ready for round 2, round 3, round 4, round whatever.
All right.
Get this.
David, are you ready?
Going all the way to the 12th round. Killing it. Let's go.
Beretta has a whole head to work with. I'm gonna target and do an extreme canvas. Once I get it carved out with my trimmer. I get the rough track. I'm gonna go ahead and trim it just a little bit, just so I can get a cleaner outline. I go in there with my razor blade, carve it out, detail it, and where most barbers and stylists would finish, we're gonna go ahead and add a little bit of blue to bring that design just a little bit more to life.
I use a lot of corner blending when I'm working in tight areas. It pretty much helps me connect the dots. But when I'm working with corners like this, I want to get moving. I started everything dropping my first line of demarcation, drop. I knew that at the end of the haircut, I wanted my fade to look that way. So keep that in mind, guys. However you start, however you picture your fade, that's what it should come out with, okay? Don't go along the way skipping steps, forgetting your pattern. Once you lose your pattern, guess what? Everything's gonna go like this.
The more that you focus on customer experience versus customer service, because customer service is dead. Customer experience is something that we feel, it's alive. With Babeless, our tools, our marketing director puts them in beautiful boxes. You ever buy an iPhone and you keep the box? Or that really dope pair of sneakers that you never throw away the box? Because the packaging is perfect. We make you feel something. If you drop a tool, if you break it, if you have a coworker that you hate, you just boop, smash them on the head with it. We're not gonna fix it. We're gonna give you a brand new one in the box. How does that make you feel?
Everyone's just strolling in today, last day. Some people are tired. Some people are just ready to go home. They're over it. I'm more like, let's fuck this day up. Let's finish up. Finish the day off with a bang.
Never, and I strongly suggest, never create your guidelines like this. Even though you might get the most crispiest, sharpest line, the purpose of this guideline is to erase it. There's no need to perfect each guideline, right?
A nigga never been as broke as me. I like that. When I was young, I had 2 pair of leads. Besides that, the pinstripes and the gray. The one I wore on Mondays and Wednesdays. While niggas flirt, I'm sewing tigers on my shirt and alligators. You want to see the inside?
And it's been a hell of a 3 days. Thank you, David.
Bad Bunny.
Bad Bunny was the man all weekend. You'll find out about Bad Bunny pretty soon.
Crazy weekend. Got a pair of Babeless clippers in my hand. Shout out to Ramon Hotbarber. Shout out to Babeless for having us. We killed the stage, yo. Until next year, baby.